Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to get MADByTE installed on your machine using a command line interface. This is usable for Mac and Linux instructions as well as any advanced installation of Anaconda where you have customized the output of Anaconda's location. The quickest and easiest way to find the latest information on MADByTE is to go to madbyte.org, where we have a resources tab which will contain the code that we're looking for. So in here you'll be able to find direct links to the GitHub and source code, as well as the user guide and sample data to get you started with MADByTE. Today we'll be going to the GitHub. The GitHub repository is the collection of all of the changes that we are currently making and have made to MADByTE, so that you can always go back and find older versions. If you're familiar with Git, you're more than welcome to download and clone the code directly using a GitHub manager, but for today we're going to be using the latest releases. You can download the latest stable release in the Releases tab by clicking the source code zip file. We'll be downloading this to our desktop for today. Once we've extracted the folder that we just downloaded onto our desktop, we'll be able to open it and navigate through and find all of the dependency files that are needed to make MADByTE run. Unfortunately, if you're installing via the command line, we cannot be using the MADByTE install script that is contained here. However, we will be making use of the environment file. In order to install it via command line, you have to open a terminal or console. There is one included by default when you install Anaconda, which is called Anaconda Prompt. Anaconda Prompt has the ability to create the environments within Anaconda, and so we'll be using it for today's purpose. The easiest way to navigate to this folder is by simply using the command cd, which stands for change directory. And since we are on our desktop, we will be changing to that folder. The MADByTE folder with version number is included here, and this is the part that will change depending on what version of MADByTE you're currently attempting to install. For this tutorial, we have version 1.1.0, so we're going to be changing to that directory. We also have a directory within that folder that we will have to navigate to. And here we can use a command which is included in the user manual in the Mac installation instruction section, conda env create-f environment.yml. When we launch this, it essentially does the exact same functions as the MADByTE install script. However, if you had downloaded your Anaconda to a separate directory, sometimes there are complications involved. And so this is a way to bypass those complications. This process is relatively quick and should take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Once installation has completed, you'll see that we have this flashing indicator here. That tells us that everything has correctly gone through and we have installed all of the dependencies that are needed, as well as created the MADByTE environment file. To launch MADByTE, if you are on a Windows machine, you can use MADByTE.bat. This should launch the GUI, and now you are ready to process your data. If you're not on a Windows machine, you'll have to launch it using a command line interface, such as we just did to install it. The easiest way to do that is to still use Anaconda Prompt. So, from a fresh install, we are going to navigate to this directory. And once we're here, we need to activate the environment in order to launch it. This can be done by simply typing conda activate MADByTE. You'll see that we have a change in the environment which we are navigating within, and we should be able to now launch MADByTE using all the dependencies that we just installed. This can be done using Python, which tells us that we are using Python, MADByTE GUI.py. If you see the graphic user interface pop up, you are ready to start processing your data using MADByTE.